Hey there! So, today we're diving into a common networking problem that many Ubuntu users might encounter. Picture this. You have two Ubuntu 22.04 computers, and you're trying to set up an SSH connection between them using a patch cable. One computer acts as the client, and the other as the server. The server is configured with Netplan, and its IP address is set to 192.168.1.102. Now, the challenge arises when you want to ping the server from the client, but the connection isn't quite there yet. Now let's talk about the solution. The initial approach involves setting the client's connection profile to share to other computers with an IP of 10.42.0.1. However, a more fitting solution is to set the profile to manual instead. By doing this, you can configure an IP address for the client that aligns with the server's subnet. In this case, you want to assign an IP like 192.168.1.x with a net mask of 255.255.255.0 to match the server settings. In summary, to fix the connectivity issue and successfully ping the server from the client, it's best to opt for a manual configuration of the client's connection profile with the appropriate IP address. By aligning the client settings with the server's subnet, you ensure a seamless connection between the two computers. And with that, we've tackled the networking hurdle. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!